Hello dear student, now I would like to solve an exercise related to hyperbola in which we find the foci, center and vertices of the hyperbola. Also we find the joint equations of asymptote of the hyperbola, and finally we will sketch the graph of the hyperbola. Let us start. Determine the center, foci and vertices of the hyperbola. Dear equations, this is an equations of the hyperbola. We want to find the center, foci and vertices. So first of all, we will convert it into standard form. Here y square minus 10y minus x square plus 6x is equal to 0. Y square is the square of y minus 2 into y, and we will multiply over here by 5. Then it means that we have to add 5 square on both sides. Minus is common over here. Minus is common over here. Then it means that it is x square and x square minus 6x is equal to 0. Or we can write this 6x just like minus 2 into this x minus x square minus 2 into x. To make it minus 6, we will multiply by 3. It means that plus 3 square means minus 3 square will be added on both sides. So here we will add what? 5 square and minus 3 square. It will convert into y minus 5 square, and this will convert into x minus 3 square is equal to 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. Divide on both sides by 16. Y minus 5 square over 16 minus x minus 3 square over 16 is equal to 16 over 16. So it can be written as y minus 5 square over 4 square minus x minus 3 square over 4 square is equal to 1. Here we can see that let x, capital X is equal to x minus 3 and capital Y is equal to y minus 5. The equation 1 will be reduced into y square over 4 square minus x square over 4 square is equal to 1. This is an equation 2. Here we can see that a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4. So we can see c is equal to c square is equal to a square plus b square. C square is equal to 4 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 32, and c is equal to 32 square root. Plus minus you can write. Okay, first of all I would like to find the value of c is this one. I would like to find the value of vertices. First, vertices of the hyperbola. Since y is positive, it means that the axis of the hyperbola is y-axis. So axis of symmetry is the y-axis. So y-axis are parallel to y-axis. It's okay. We'll check that. Of course center is not 0 0, so parallel to y-axis, axis of symmetry is parallel to y-axis. For vertices we will put x. What are the vertices? The vertices will be a and a dash, a into 0 b and a dash into 0 minus b. So here it means that x is equal to 0 and y is equal to b. X is equal to 0 means what was x? X minus 3 is equal to 0 mean x is equal to 3. Y is equal to b means what is the value of y? Y minus 5 is equal to b. What is b? Value of b is equal to 4. Value of b is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 plus 5, which is equal to y is equal to 9. So we get a 3 and 9. And now for b, x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus b, x minus 3 is equal to 0, y minus 5 is equal to minus 4, x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 4 plus 5, y is equal to 1. So a dash is equal to 3 and 1. So I'm writing over here because we want to sketch the graph. A is 3 1 and a dash is 3 9. Okay, now we find the foci of the hyperbola. That is, for the foci f1 is 0 minus c and f2 0 plus c. For here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus c. X is equal to 0 mean x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. What is the value of y? Y minus 5 is equal to minus value of c we have find 32 square root, and y is equal to 5 minus 32 square root. So we find f1 is 3 and 5 minus 32 square root. Okay, now we find f2. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to c. X minus 3 is equal to 0 and y minus 5 is equal to 32 square root. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5 plus 32 square root. So we find f2 what? 3 and 5 plus 32 square root. Okay dear, now we find the center. To find the focus we find the center. To find the center, put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. X mean x minus 3 is equal to 0 and y means y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So our center is 3 and 5. I am writing c over here, 3 and 5. Okay. Now the joint equations of hyperbola. Joint equations of asymptote. Joint equation of asymptotes of hyperbola. For the joint equation of asymptote, we put this equations is equal to 0 according to the rule of joint. To find the joint equations of asymptote of hyperbola, we will put it into 0. Y square 4 square minus x square over 4 square is equal to 0. This means that we get y square minus x square is equal to 0. So y plus x and y minus x is the solutions. One line will be y is equal to minus x and other line is y is equal to x. These are the two equations. Y is equal to minus x and y is equal to x are the joint equations of asymptote of hyperbola. Now I would like to sketch the graph. Of this problem. The graph will be, okay, suppose x-axis and y-axis. What is A? A is 3, 1. Suppose it is 1, 2 and 3. It is 1, 2 and 3. A is 3, 1. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, means our A point is just like 3, 1. What is C? What is C? That is 3, 5. It means that it will be 4 and 4. So we have to shorten it just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So what is A? A is 3, 1. It means that this is A point. A is x is equal to 3, 3, 1. What is C? That is 3, 5. It will be over here. 3, 5. C is 3, 5 and 3, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here is A dash, which is 3, 9. Okay, dear students, I would like to again actually finding a little problem, just like figure is, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 3, 1, A is 3, 1 and C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will be, here is C, which is 3, 5 and it is 9, 9, 5, 3, 3, 9. It is 3, 9. A dash is 3, 9. So if we see, these are the points, is 3, 5, sorry, this point, center, this was the center, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this one, and this point, just like, okay, it means that 1 is A. One vertex is this one, other vertex is this one. This is the center. So if this is this x-axis and if it is y-axis, x-axis and y-axis, it means that these are capital Y-axis, capital Y-axis and capital Y dash axis. Of course, the line through the center, x-axis, capital and capital X dash. So we see that y is equal to x. Y is equal to x is the line passing through the, just like center. Y is equal to x. This will be the line just like, actually my drawing is not so good, so I'm trying to draw this one. Y is equal to minus x is the line So this is the figure of the above problem. Thank you very much.